Hi there. Let's learn to use the as an article correctly. So there are 6 scenarios where we can use the as an article. The first is to refer to something aforementioned or understood. To exemplify, I can say that this is the man I was talking about. So I use the along with man because this indicates that I have talked about this man earlier. The second one is with superlatives. When we are using superlative degree of comparison, we use the along. For example, she is the most beautiful girl I have ever seen. So because I am comparing her with all the beautiful girls, that is why I said the most beautiful. Then with whole class of people, when we are talking about the group or the people as a class, we use the along. For example, the Japanese are known for their punctuality. So here the Japanese because I am talking about all the people of Japan in general. With some entity which is unique, here I can say the sun is a source of light. Since Earth has a single sun, so I use the because it is unique in itself. With plural countries, the countries that show plurality, the United Kingdom is known for its tourist spots. So because the United Kingdom indicates the unison of the countries, so here the has been used along. And the last is to talk about playing an instrument. Like I can say he can play the piano really well. So because playing a piano is an indication of an instrument, so I used the here. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.